Researchers show that the brain constantly fills gaps in perception using prior knowledge, a shortcut called top-down processing, optimized by evolution, which helps survival but distorts accuracy. One common trap is confirmation bias, where people favor evidence that confirms beliefs and ignore disconfirming data. False memories can form when later information reshapes recall, a phenomenon demonstrated in eyewitness studies and everyday misremembering. Anchoring skews judgments when first numbers set the reference point, from prices to time estimates. And pareidolia makes faces from patterns, while the Mandela effect shows shared memories diverging from facts.